Science journalists from different parts of the world gathered to learn about sustainability of the food, water and energy nexus. The panel, comprising of keynote speakers from Qatar and United Kingdom, discussed and looked into the interlinked problems of social economic constraints. The panel, sponsored by Qatar National Food Security Program, highlighted the problems of food security in Qatar.
I guess everyone thinks that the food that they're eating today has come from a farm nearby. 95%, if not 99% of what you're eating is imported. That is reflected in our imports. 90% of our food is imported in this country.
Participants reacted to the numbers and figures about Qatar's imports and consumption.
Never have known, and I mean, just listening to things like that does sort of spring up in the mind, hey, so what about this avenue on this topic and what's happening there? So it encourages the listener or the person attending the conference sort of to delve deeper into the subject. So from that perspective as well, it's been good.
Tony Allen, creator of the virtual water concept, spoke about ways of optimization that can be practiced in Qatar.
Possibly for a start, because if you don't throw food away, you don't throw water and energy away. And in that case, if it's imported food, it's water and energy that have been brought from somewhere else, as it were. You didn't have to find them. So that's one thing. You should eat. You shouldn't waste food. And then, if people eat sensibly, then they will not eat a food which is very water intensive. If you eat a lot of beef, then you have twice the water footprint of a vegetarian.
Sustainability of energy, water and food nexus can be a global issue, but the session concentrated on ways Qatar could improve its effort.